Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can dropship from Alibaba to Etsy. So first you need to open Alibaba and you need to open this website, and the second website is Etsy. So let me remove this. Okay, and open that website. So we want to dropship from Alibaba from this website to this one Etsy. But there is no direct method, so you simply need a third party website. So we are going to use AutoDS. So this is automate drop shipping. Okay, so then you need to click on get started, and you need to create your account on AutoDS. So I am going to sign up with Google. So let me click on continue. Okay, now you my account is successfully created on AutoDS. Look, okay, it took some second to wait. Okay, select your selling channel. So I want to sell on Etsy. Select it and find the right package for you. So it is up to you which one package you want. So let's suppose I want to go with this package. Select that and start now for this package, and it is billed annually. Okay, so once you complete that, on the next page, so I do not want to start this one, but I guide you. Once you select that, you go on to the AutoDS store, and your Etsy is connected with AutoDS, and you can import products from Alibaba, different products, and then your products will be sold on Etsy from Alibaba. So this is the process that you need to follow to dropship from Alibaba to Etsy. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.